XIAOMI Mi 8, and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power, let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Then let's use together power key and volume down. So let's hold down simultaneously those two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys. And as soon as Fastboot logo pops up, you can release both keys. As you can see now, you can use your Fastboot mode, so you can, for example, connect your device to your computer and start flashing your device. And you can also quit this mode by pressing the power key. Let me just show you. All you need to do is simply press power key for a long time. Now you can release power, and let's just wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. Alright, the home screen pops up, so now you can unlock the phone and start using your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.